country living at its best. Amazing home on 22 acres with barn, outbuildings and roping arena. Ranch-style home built in 2009 with over 2,400 square feet, an open floor plan and designer's touch. Large living room with beam-vaulted ceilings and gorgeous fireplace open to the gourmet kitchen and dining. Romantic master suite with custom double doors, walk-in shower, soaker tub, double sinks, walk-in closet, and beautiful country views. 3 more additional bedrooms, second full bath and loft area. Huge mudroom, office and partial basement fully finished. Stone finishes throughout the home with a designer's touch to every room. 48x30 garage with overhead doors and plenty of storage. 80 by 40 horse barn and roping arena. This is an exceptional property with native grass, quality fencing, great support buildings, thoughtful placement of amenities and beautiful Kansas views.